Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we spend our morning at a beautiful Silver Strand beach, just not very far away from Galway city centre. We spend our beautiful day there, enjoying the beautiful sea breeze, the lovely seashores. After spending that time there, we went to the cultural event in Salt Hill Park, and we are enjoying the different dances, singing from people of different cultures. We spent a lovely time there, and lovely to see the beautiful children dancing in front of beautiful gatherings. So it's very nice to see. After coming back from the cultural event, we tried to cook something good in the evening. So we tried to cook some jackfruit curry using some tomatoes, potatoes, and some regular spices with everything nice. And we tried to add those and to make it something special and to make a very beautiful end for this day. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.